Hi, glad you're here. Today, I would like to introduce you to 3 top entry-level pressure washers. Everyone's seen it. The winter is over and has left its traces, for example, on the terrace or driveway. High-pressure cleaners are a noticeable relief for such surfaces. We will show you the best entry-level high-pressure cleaners currently on the market. For this purpose, we have evaluated tests and opinions and calculated an overall score. But before I go into too much detail, let's get started. If you already liked the video, please give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you very much. In third place, we have the Bosch Easy Aqua 100. Approximately $70 US. Customer rating 1.5. Compact high-pressure cleaner for small tasks. The Easy Aqua pressure washer from Bosch is a compact, one-handed device that handles smaller cleaning tasks around the house and in the garden. It is suitable for cleaning garden furniture and vehicles, as well as for cleaning windows or minor dirt on the facade. Single-handed device with limited action radius, with a flow rate of 300 liters per hour and a maximum pressure of 100 bar. The Bosch is one of the low-powered, high-pressure cleaners. This performance level corresponds to the field of application and is appropriate for the removal of smaller soiling. At 3 kilograms, the pleasantly light handheld unit is carried to the place of use by an integrated handle. Cleaning is carried out in one-handed operation. The pressure gun is equipped with a user-friendly, large-area gun switch. The width of the jet, and thus also the working pressure, can be adjusted at the nozzle. The use of a cleaning agent is also possible. The cleaning agent nozzle, included in the scope of delivery, can be attached if required. A cleaning agent container with a volume of 450 milliliters is integrated into the nozzle. The pressure hose of the compact cleaner also turns out to be short for smaller jobs at 3 meters. Balanced price/performance ratio. The compact cleaner from Bosch is designed for small tasks and is available at a low price. It currently costs a reasonable $60 US on the internet. In second place, Zipper Z1 HDR 40-volt battery. Approximately $350 US. DIY practice rating 1.4. Practical and self-sufficient cleaner for car washing. Strengths: water tank and pump separate units. Space-saving stowable. Powerful 40-volt battery. And 50 to 80 bar. Weaknesses: wheels too small for good transport with filled tank. And no self-priming for water from other sources. Zipper is a manufacturer from Austria that produces cleaning solutions as well as for tools for wood and metalworking. The compact battery-powered model offers enough cleaning power with a maximum of 80 bar and 210 liters per hour. You can fill the separate water tank using a garden hose connection or remove the lid and pour water into the tank. If you pack everything up, even the pump unit fits into the empty water tank, which saves space. Virtually, the model has a lot of similarity with the Aqua 2 Go Cross. However, the device is not known without its faults. The small transport wheels are not optimal for transport when the tank is full. In addition, you cannot always use water from lakes or similar by means of self-priming, but always have to fill the water tank. However, you can use a system battery with this device, which also fits the other battery-powered devices from Zipper. In any case, the testers of Heimwerker Praxis issue of March 2020 are enthusiastic about the model cleaner and make the product the test winner. By the way, we have linked this pressure washer and all others tested below in the video description. And in first place, the Karcher K2 Full Control. Approximately $150 US. Lightweight device for occasional use. Strengths: 3 different pressure levels. Has a detergent mode. Price-performance ratio fits. And weaknesses? We don't know of any yet. This pressure washer has 2 smooth running wheels, a handle, and weighs only 4.3 kilograms. You can therefore move this device effortlessly and also carry it. The different pressure levels are adjustable on the jet pipe. Depending on the soiling, you can choose between soft, medium, and hard, as well as the detergent mode. You thus remain flexible and can decide for yourself which setting is suitable for which soiling. The Karcher K2 Full Control is designed for lighter soiling around the house and should only be used occasionally. It is therefore sufficient for most households. That was our comparison for the best entry-level high-pressure cleaners. Which one do you like best? Feel free to let us know in the comments. I hope that I could help you a little bit with your purchase decision. If so, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. Thanks for watching and see you very soon. See you next time.